morning, everyone! Today is our trip day! I am so happy! Eat fast, we have a flight! I am ready! Pack carefully! I want my toys!
Let's go!
Ah! Brazil, here we come!
Wow! So big!
So many people!
Here are our tickets.
Everything is ready.
Look at the planes!
I like this place.
I like this place. Dad, my bag is missing.
It's okay. We will find it.
My things are in the bag.
Stay calm. Hello? Did you find it?
They found it.
Really?
Really? My bag! Thank you! What is this machine?
It checks bags.
Stay close.
This is so cool! I can see outside!
It's fast.
The clouds look soft.
This food is different. Do you like it?
Do you like it?
It's not bad. It's so quiet. We are here!
Yay! It's warm!
Ah! Yeah! Everything looks new.
This is our hotel.
We have a booking.
Wow! Wow! I like this room.
Look at this beautiful view.
This is amazing.
Wow! So many colors.
I like this place.
This is so sweet.
Fresh and delicious.
Let's run! Catch me! The beach is there.
Stay together.
This is fun. The sand is soft. It's cold. Help me build. I will make it big.
This is so peaceful. Yes, very relaxing.
What a beautiful day.
The family feels happy and tired.
Mom? I miss home.
It's okay. We are together.
Family is everything.
New day! I like this one.
This food is very good.
They enjoy every moment.
Best trip ever!
A journey full of love.
It's time to go home.
I will miss this place.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything. Bye, Brazil!
I will remember this trip.
Time to go home.
Goodbye, Brazil! This was a special trip.
We are home! Lucy!
Home sweet home.
We made beautiful memories.
We hope you liked our trip. See you next time. Please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.